How to fix a Life360 location not updating. Hey guys, let's get started. If you're having troubles on Life360's isn't updating your location, here is a step-by-step breakdown and troubleshooting steps. First of all, you'll have to check the location services enabled on your phone. For this, open your settings of your Android and scroll down until you find the location services. Under that, you will see the access to different application. So you can see all and make sure it is toggled on. Next up, we have to check the Life360 location setting on the application itself. For this, launch the application and you will land to its home page. Then after tap on the gear icon which is on the top left corner and go to location setting. Now, if the option has been toggled off, we will have to make sure and turn it on. This should probably work. However, if it does not, let's move on to next step, which is adjusting the app's battery usage. Long press the Life360 app, go to app info, and then select on battery. Once you tap on battery, select to unrestricted under the app manage battery usage. Once this is done, go back to the previous page and then tap on permission. Now from here tap on location and select allow all the time instead of allow only while using the application. This should probably work. However, if it does not, sometimes it could be because of new updates. In this case, you will have to go to Play Store or App Store and search for the Life360 via the search bar and make sure that it has the latest version installed. And this will help you to solve any kinds of bugs and fixes. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.